Hi, this is Eric with Foregone Conclusions. Today we're going to be converting some really cool earrings into a necklace. These are our earrings. So they're white gold, and we've got these pink sapphires in here, and they dangle. They're pretty cool. Set with diamonds, and what we're going to be doing is taking these apart. We're going to be removing anything to do with the earrings, and we're going to be using this chain and converting them into a necklace, and then these two pieces are actually going to dangle from the center. All right, so the first step, we're going to remove a few of the stones where we're going to be putting heat. We removed the stones. This was because we're going to be applying heat and just wanted to keep the stones safe while we're doing that operation. At this point in time, we're going to switch over to doing some of the metal work. We're going to be removing the earring backs, and then we're going to start editing the rest of the earring. We're going to be removing this extra metal here to make them flat, so that way it kind of lines up with this. So that's going to be the next step. We're going to be creating those small jump rings and getting everything connected. We have our jump rings. So we created all these jump rings, and we've flattened a section of the jump ring. Those are going to go up against the prongs and be soldered on, and then we're going to start connecting some of the pieces together. We've got some of the jump rings attached. We're going to start putting the pieces together. We've connected the pieces together. We're going to cut the chain in half and attach it to the jump rings. The necklace has had the jump rings attached. We attached the chain. At this point in time, we're going to start by making sure all the rest of the jump rings are soldered together, and then we're going to start cleanup. At this point in time, we're going to set the stones back into it. We have our necklace. It's all the bottom parts are all assembled. We've got our chain. At this point in time, we're going to be finishing up the end of the chain. We have a lobster claw, some jump rings, and then we have a length of jump rings that's going to act as a chain extender. The parts have been put on to the end of the necklace, the lobster claw and the chain extender. We're going to be soldering the couple joints that are left. The necklace has been soldered. We're going to be doing polishing and final cleanup. All right, we've completed our necklace, converting dangle earrings into this stunning piece. All right, thanks for joining us. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you're looking for custom work, feel free to reach out.